Let me ask you a simple question. What if I tell you that one single document can decide whether you get admission into your dream university abroad or your application gets rejected? Yes, just one document. And that document is your resume. Many students spend months preparing for IELTS, GRE or TOEFL. But when it comes to the resume, they just write a 2-page document in 20 minutes and submit it. And that is one of the biggest mistakes students make because universities abroad carefully read your resume to understand who you are, what you have achieved, what skills you have, and whether you are a good fit for their program. A weak resume can make even a good student look average, but a strong resume can make an average student stand out. So in today's video, I will explain step by step how you can create a powerful resume for foreign universities. In this video, you will learn what universities actually look for in a resume, the correct resume format to study abroad, what sections you must include, common mistakes students make, and simple tips to make your resume stand out. So if you're planning to apply for universities in countries like the USA, Canada, UK, Germany or Australia, watch this video till the end. What is a resume for university applications? First, let's understand something simple. A resume for a university is slightly different from a job resume. In a job resume, companies mostly focus on your work experience, but universities want to understand your academic journey, your achievements, your skills, your activities outside the classroom. In simple words, your resume tells the university why should they select you. That is why your resume should be clear, structured and professional. Ideal resume length and format. Many students ask, how long should the resume be? For university applications, the ideal length is 1 to 2 pages of an A4 size document. Do not create a lengthy 4 to 5 page resume. Most universities clearly specify guidelines for resume length, and exceeding them can negatively impact your application. For top-tier institutions, especially Ivy League universities like Harvard University, University of Pennsylvania, the expectation is typically a concise 1 to 2 page academic resume. In many cases, the content should be focused and precise, often within 500 to 700 words, highlighting only the most relevant achievements, experiences, and skills. Always check the official university or program website before finalizing your resume. Some programs may have specific formatting instructions, word limits, or even templates. Admission officers review hundreds of applications, so they prefer short and clear resumes. Also follow these simple formatting rules. Mention the details in chronological order. Use a clean and simple design. Use easy-to-read fonts like Arial and Calibri. Font size between 10 and 12. Keep enough spacing. Your resume should look professional and easy to read. Section 1. Personal information. The first section of your resume should include basic personal information. This includes full name, email address, phone number, LinkedIn profile which is optional, city and country. But remember one thing, do not include unnecessary information like religion, marital status, passport number, Aadhaar number. Universities do not need this information. Keep it simple and professional. Section 2. Education. The next section is your education background. This is one of the most important sections you should include. Degree name, college or school name, year of completion, percentage or GPA. Example, Bachelor of Commerce, Delhi University, 2022 to 2025, percentage 78%. If you have any academic achievements, you can also mention them. For example, top 10% of class, academic scholarships. These achievements demonstrate your strong dedication and commitment to your studies. Section 3. Work experience or internships. Even if you are a student, internships can make your resume stronger. You can include internship experience, part-time jobs, volunteer work, co-curricular activities. For each experience, write company name, your role, duration, what you learned or achieved. For example, marketing intern, XYZ company, June 2024 to August 2024, assisted in social media campaigns, helped to increase Instagram engagement by 20%. Always try to mention results or achievements. Section 4. Skills. Now let's talk about the skills section. This section shows what abilities you have. Skills can include technical skills, Microsoft Excel, Python, data analysis, graphic design. Soft skills, communication, teamwork, leadership, problem solving. But do not write too many random skills. Only include skills that you actually know, and more importantly, it should relate to the course you've chosen. Section 5. Projects and research. Projects can make your resume very impressive, especially if you're applying for technical or research programs. You can include academic projects, research papers, final year project. Example, data analysis project, analyzed sales data using Excel, created dashboards to identify trends. Projects show that you can apply your knowledge in real situations. Section 6. Extracurricular activities. Foreign universities also value activities outside academics. These universities show your personality. Examples include sports, student clubs, debate competitions, volunteering, event management. For example, member College Debate Club, organized inter-college debate competition with 100+ participants. These activities show leadership and teamwork skills. Section 7. Certifications. If you have completed online courses or certifications, you should include them. Popular platforms include Coursera, Google certifications, LinkedIn Learning, Google Data Analytics Certification 2024. Certifications show that you are continuously learning new skills. 5 common resume mistakes. Now let's talk about some common mistakes students make. Mistake 1. Using too many colors or fancy designs. Mistake 2. Writing very long paragraphs. Mistake 3. Including false information. Mistake 4. Submitting resumes with grammar mistake. Mistake 5. Sending the resume without proofreading. Always review your resume 2 or 3 times before submitting it. 5 tips to make your resume stand out. Here are some simple tips to make your resume stronger. Tip 1. Keep it clear and structured. Tip 2. Focus on achievements instead of responsibilities. Tip 3. Use numbers and results when possible. Tip 4. Customize your resume based on the course you're applying for. Tip 5. Always convert your resume into PDF format before sending. A strong resume can increase your chances of getting admission into your dream university abroad. So take time to build a resume that truly represents your achievements and potential. If you want, I can also make videos on how to write a powerful statement of purpose, how to get scholarships for foreign universities, top mistakes students make while applying abroad. If this video helped you, like the video. Subscribe to the channel and share it with someone planning to study abroad. See you in the next video.